Welcome to Listing Long Beach. I'm Ben Fisher, and today we're at 5585 East Vesuvian Walk. This beautifully restored 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom Spanish home is listed just shy of 2.4. Let's go take a look. Key features. So this house was originally built in 1931, and all of the original parts have been either restored or preserved, which is huge in a Spanish home of this era. On top of that, you have some tasteful upgrades that blend naturally into the home, so it feels like an old Spanish house, but it has all of the new pieces that you'd want in an everyday home of today. Another thing that's super cool is that even though it was built in 1931 as a duplex, the way they've tied it together has an incredible flow. For the draw. Since this actually used to be a duplex, it's kind of two houses rolled into one. Getting that much square footage and being able to get lost in a home in Naples on the standard 2,400 square foot lot is hard to do. And this home really feels like a comfortable, extremely large space. That coupled with the wood finishes makes you feel at home. It's a very warm feeling house. Thanks for checking out 5585 East Vesuvian Walk. To schedule a private showing, reach out to us directly or check out benfisherteam.com.